Bismillah wahda, salatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da. How to witness Laylatul Qadr. There are different levels. The easiest level to witness Laylatul Qadr, some people are very busy at work, some people cannot leave and come and spend nights in the masjid. So what is the lowest level in order to gain Laylatul Qadr is by praying Fajr and Isha in Jama'ah. This is the lowest. Why? Because Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, whomsoever pray Fajr and Isha in Jama'ah as if he's up all night. So I am up all night. And this is what I want. I want the reward of being up all night. So this is the minimum to pray Fajr and Isha in Jama'ah. Second level, pray Fajr and Isha in Jama'ah and stay behind the Imam praying Taraweeh till he finishes. After he finishes, I leave. Why? Because Rasulullah ﷺ said, whomsoever pray with the Imam till he leaves. Many of the people now I see them, after 8 rak'ah they leave, even though this is the only masjid that has 2 witr. So if the Imam finished witr and you left with the Imam, you will get the ajr of the whole qiyam for just extra 5 minutes. And the other people who stayed, the last Imam is going to pray witr again. And then they leave. So you will get the ajr of qiyam all night. That's the second level. Praying Fajr and Isha in Jama'ah and staying with the Imam till he leaves. Third, you do those 2 and then you come back for more. Or you could do it at home. You do more qiyam at home. You stayed here and with the Imam, and then you woke up at 3 a.m. and you prayed on your own, or half an hour, 1 hour, or maybe half an hour or half an hour before Fajr. You stayed, you prayed more qiyam. You left witr till the last part of the night, and you prayed it there. That's the next level. And the best of the best, to guarantee that Laylatul Qadr is not going to escape from me. I'tikaf. I'tikaf 10 nights in the masjid. I'tikaf, real i'tikaf. Not playing around and joking and talking. No, daytime Quran and dua and adhkar, and night is praying tahajjud. Not only playing around and joking around and sleeping half of the day. No. Like Imam Shafi'i said, naharuha kalayliha. The daytime is like the nighttime of these 10 nights. Subhanallah. So this is the peak. This way I divorced the dunya for 10 days and I focused to get the ajr of 80 or over 83 years in ibadah. So Laylatul Qadr has a mahr, has a dowry. And this mahr is a'mal jasadiyya wa a'mal qalbiyya. Some actions by the body, like the ones we do, salat and qira'at Quran and dua and all that, and a'mal qalbiyya, and heart actions of the heart. What are the actions of the heart? Is when you are doing the actions of the body, the heart is present. The heart is present when I'm making dua. The heart is present when I'm praying. The heart is present when I'm reading Quran. My brothers and sisters, last thing is leave 5-6 minutes before Adhan al-Fajr and dedicate that strictly for istighfar. Why? Because Allah praised al-mustaghfirina bil-ashar wa bil-ashari hum yastaghfirun. After all this, I sat down just 5 minutes, ya akhi, 2 minutes. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah al-azim alladhi la ilaha illa hu al-hayy al-qayyum wa atubu ilayh. Or Sayyid al-istighfar, Allahumma anta rabbi la ilaha illa ant, to the end. Make sure you dedicate so you can be from the people whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have praised. We all know that every single one of us have a list of things that they need and the problems that they're going through. These are the nights. My beloved brothers, these are the nights. My sisters, raise your hands in these nights. Beg Allah Azza wa Jal. Ask Allah the impossible. Ask Allah, Ya Allah, you are the one who saved Yusuf from the well. You can save me. Ya Allah, you are the one who made the fire cool for Ibrahim. Ya Allah, you are the one who gave Zakaria a baby at 85 years old. You can solve my problems. You can cure my sickness. You can guide my children. You can grant me a job. You can cover my debt. Ask Allah the impossible. With the back of your mind, remembering that Allah said, وَهُوَ عَلَيَّ هَيِّن. Keep in mind, every time you're raising your hands to make dua, remember Allah said, هُوَ عَلَيَّ هَيِّن. It is very easy for me. Very easy for me. And He named Himself Al-Mujib, the one who answers the dua. Ask, وَأَنْتُمْ مُوقِنُونَ بِالْإِجَابَةِ. Ask, and you have certainty that I'm not asking a friend of mine, I'm asking the one who is Qadir, who can do anything. فَعَالٌ لِمَا يُرِيد. He can do whatever He wants. Sometimes we ask with a very weak mindset, as if we are asking a cousin or a neighbor. You are asking the Qawi, the Aziz, the Mujib Himself. Brothers and sisters, as we know, the best dua to make in these days, Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anna. That's the best dua you could ever make. You could make all your dua, but this one extra, just because Rasulullah ﷺ said this is the best dua to make in these days. Ya Allah, You are the one who forgive and pardon, and you love to pardon, so please forgive me, pardon me. And if you want to be forgiven, forgive others before these 10 days. You want afu? Have afu on others. Yalla, it's okay. Forget about it. This could be my last Ramadan. I'm going to forgive everybody. I'm going to text everyone and say, please forgive me before these 10 nights. This could be my last 10 nights.